Hey everyone, if you're facing upload errors on Remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix image upload problems and get your background removal working again. Users often face problems like images not uploading, upload stuck, file rejection, or slow processing. Make sure your internet connection is stable, because unstable internet is one of the main causes of upload errors. A simple refresh can fix temporary upload glitches. Make sure your image is in a supported format like JPG or PNG. If your image is too large, compress it before uploading to Remove.bg. Switch to browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge if uploads are not working. Old browser data can interfere with uploads, so clearing cache and cookies can fix the issue. Ad blockers or privacy extensions may block upload scripts, so try disabling them. Try uploading in incognito mode to avoid browser conflicts. Sometimes Remove.bg servers may be slow or temporarily down. In that case, wait and try again later. For smoother uploads, always use updated browsers and optimized image files. A common mistake is uploading corrupted or extremely large image files without checking them first. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Remove.bg upload errors in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.